What's up YouTube? This is our brand new 2024 Subaru Crosstrek Sport model. It has a 2.5-liter engine. I'm going to be doing the first oil change on this vehicle. It just passed the break-in period, which was 1,000 miles. So the parts are going to be needed. You're going to be needing 17mm socket, oil filter, new washer and oil, of course. And the part numbers actually has been revised, so that's a new oil filter. Again, we're gonna need a 17mm socket to drain the oil. As always, I always make a mess, but yeah, I usually let it drain for 5 to 10 minutes. And then once it's completely drained, we're gonna take it off the oil filter. I was lucky enough, I was able to take it off with my hands. I didn't need to use any tools. Again, the part has been revised for the oil filter. The one I'm taking right now is the old one. It's the blue, and then the new one is the improved design, black color one. And also, when you drain in oil, make sure to take it off the cap or release the pressure. Here's the old filter, ends with 15A, and this is a new one, 20A. It's supposed to be improved one. You can kind of see the differences. Now we're gonna put it back to new one. You don't want to over tighten, just do hand tight. Here's a drain plug. We're gonna be putting the new washer. That's the old one. And actually, I'm kind of glad I did the oil change early because I found some metal shavings. It's kind of hard to see from the camera. But yeah, you can kind of see on the magnet too, on the drain plug. And put in the new oil. And on owner's manuals specifying 2.5-liter will need a 4.4 quarts of oil. And then yeah, make sure the level is up top between 1 and 2. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Thank you.